looking day. Okay? Pile of junk. This was all in the back seat of the pickup. This whole pile. Plus a whole bunch of flyers, plus some stuff that went to the other side. Yeah. Alright, I gotta put my boots on. You know what you're thinking? Surely this day we're gonna be working on something fun. That I say, don't call me Shirley. I did say after 5 or 6 projects get completed, and we got 4 projects completed on my list. Other stuff got done. The whole life gets in the way thing. That's fine. He looks tiny to me until I see him on camera. He's not quite tiny, I guess. So I gotta. Some of this is gonna go back into the truck, but not much. It's all gotta be somewhere ready to go though, because that's a box of straps. That's a box of chains and tie downs. There's 2 boxes of fluids for some reason. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I know why. When I had a chainsaw going to get wood. That would do it, wouldn't it? Yes, it's quite warm today. It's amazing what one can collect in the seat behind you. But check out this beauty of a day. Wow. You know what? We're going to take one last look here because on this day, that needs to come out of there. Because as soon as that comes out and that can move over that way, I might be able to check a thing or 2 off of my list in very short order after that. So I'm going to get to it. Again, you enjoy that beauty of a day. This has been a Herb Jones production.